Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable bold text on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and go to the Accessibility settings. Tap on the Display and Text Size option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to bold text option to turn it on. When the switch turns green, bold text is now enabled on your iPhone. And this is how you can enable bold text on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.